how to download and install WhatsApp on any iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen or in the app library, you want to open up App Store. In App Store, I'm going to get out of this and we go to the search, tap on the search button at the bottom, and at the top we go to the search text box. In here, we key in WhatsApp and then tap on the download button. Wait for the download to finish, and then after that we can open up WhatsApp Messenger to set up. Okay, now it has finished downloading. Tap on open. Then tap on agreed and continue button. Then tap on continued. Then tap on allow. Now put in your SIM card phone number. If there is a prompt down here offering to use your phone number, then tap on use passkey. Okay, now we put in the phone number and then we go next. Okay, here we'll offer to restore from iCloud. If you have previously backup to iCloud, you can choose to restore or you can skip. I will select restore. We'll let it finished. Okay, now tap on next and tap on continued to allow access to contacts. You say here, how do you want to share contacts? We can choose share all and then tap on done. Here at the top, you can name your profile. I'll put my name in here and tap on done. Here it said, do you want to put in your email address for this account? You can choose skip if you don't want to enter in the email address. And that's it. We have now finished. In here is a list of your most recent conversation. They are archived in here as well. If you tap on it, you can view your archive conversation, or you can search for previous chats by using the search feature right here at the top. And that's it. We have now successfully installed WhatsApp Messenger on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video.